State. Today is not a campaign day. It is a day to receive our brothers and sisters from other political parties. We welcome them as our brothers and sisters and even our children. I want you to accept them and I want you to integrate them into the larger PDP family. It is an umbrella that can accommodate all of us. Let me also use this opportunity to thank you all for your support in my political career. It's been more than 3 decades of political career in this state, and you have always voted for me. I am not taking that for granted. I thank you, and I thank you eternally. Let me also appeal to you. This governor, no matter what you may say about him, has done well. He has done well. He has done well. So I want to appeal to you to vote for him again. If you vote for him, you will make it easier for me to also support you and help the state. I want to thank you very much for supporting me in all these 3 decades of my political career, and I promise I will never fail you. God bless you all, and I really love all of you. I love you all. Thank you very much. I love you all.
sai an sace Atiku cikakken masoyin Atiku mai kare mutuncin Atiku ya ce duk wanda ya dangwala wa boda